When you engage students in environmental education, you unleash their full capabilities. You give them the opportunity to make a change in their community and the world. You give them hope for a brighter, cleaner, and safer future, where they can show their children the power and awe of nature. It is through these experiences that we can provide young adults with the understanding and appreciation of our natural resources, where they can make new memories and escape the stress of suburban life. Here they meet new people, they build trust and friendship. They feel the water, air, and life around them. This exposure doesn't just instill knowledge. It builds curiosity in our future leaders and challenges them to solve real-world problems in the comfort of an inviting learning environment. Students don't normally go outside to learn. They go outside to explore, to laugh and smile, have a good time, and get their hands dirty. Now is the time to invest in environmental education, because if we don't engage our youth in the outdoors today, there might not be a reason to protect it tomorrow.